Students, welcome to PLK Computers or YouTube channel. In this tutorial video, we are going to learn about 1s and 2s complement method for the binary subtraction. So my dear students, if we talk about 1s complement, a 1s complement of a given number is obtained by subtracting each bit of the given number from 1. In another words, it is obtained simply by inverting 0 to 1 and 1 to 0. For example, 1s complement of 101 is, so look, here 1 it will be 0. So 0 will be inverted to 1. 1 will be inverted to 0. In this way, we can find the 1s complement. Now 2s complement or 2s complement of a given number is obtained by adding 1 to the 1s complement of the given binary number. So for example, here we have 2s complement of 101 is, so 1s of 101 is 010, then you have to add 1. So 010 plus 1 you will get 011. In this way you can calculate 1s complement and 2s complement. Okay, now using it we have to find uh, binary subtraction. We have to calculate. Okay, so there are altogether 4 steps. So step for binary subtraction using 1s complement method. So number 1, make the number of bits equal in both subtrahend and minuend. So remember, you have to make both subtrahend and minuend equal bits. And my dear students, for example, 1010 minus 101. So the number which have negative sign will be subtrahend, and those number which have positive sign, that is called minuend. For example, 1010 is minuend. This 101 is subtrahend because in front of 101 we have minus. Okay, so remember, those number which have negative sign in front, that is subtrahend, which has positive, that is called minuend. Calculate 1s complement of subtrahend. Okay, always we have to calculate subtrahend. For example, in this example we have to calculate the 1s of this 101. Calculate sum of minuend and 1s complement of subtrahend. Okay, so number 2 value will be added to minuend in number 3. Now number 4, check the overflow bit. This is the final step. So carry, if there is overflow bit, discard it and add it to the remaining part of the sum, and the final sum would be the answer. Okay, for example, here we are getting this 1 carry because we have here 1 2 3 4 bit, but if we add here, you can look here, 1 2 3 4 5, we have altogether 5 bit. It means this is the carry bit, so we have to add it to the remaining part. It means 0100 plus 1. So look, 0100 plus 1 according to this 4a. Now 4b, there will be two condition. One condition, there will be overflow bit, there will be int carry, and the next case, there if there is no overflow bit, then the result must be negative. So again calculate 1s complement of the sum, that would be the final answer. Okay, now look, we have here example 1. So here in example 1, complement spelling is error, my dear. So let me correct it. Okay, now it's good. Okay, here also there will be complement. Okay, so example 1, perform 1010 minus 101 using 1s complement method. My dear students, here we have 1010 is minuend, 101 is subtrahend, but here we have 1 2 3 4 bit, here only 3 bit, that's why we will add one leading 0 in front of subtrahend. So it will be make the number of bits equal as 1010, and it will be 0101 because previously it was 101. If we add here leading 0, we can add. Okay, now 1s complement of subtrahend is 0101, so we have to just invert it, like 0, then it will be 1. If it is 1, 0, so 0, it will be 1, 1 will be 0. Now third step, adding 1s complement of subtrahend with minuend. So 1s complement of subtrahend is 1010, minuend is here 1010. Okay, so 1010, if you add, you will get 10100. If you don't know this addition, binary addition or subtraction, then my dear student, I have already posted the video for binary addition and subtraction. You can watch that one. Okay, now here we got overflow bit, so discard it and add to the remaining part. Okay, so remaining part is 0100. So 0100 plus 1, you will get 0101. So this is the final answer. Okay, my dear students. Now next condition can be where we can't get this overflow bit. Okay, so now just this question I have reversed it. Okay, so now 101 minus 1010. So here we have only 3 bit and here 4 bits, so leading 0 will add. Okay, so it will be, make the number of bits equal, it will be 0101 and 1010. Here negative sign in front of 1010, so it is subtrahend. So 1s complement of 1010, that is subtrahend, is just will reverse 1 into 0, 0 into 1, 1 into 0, 0 into 1. So now adding 1s complement of subtrahend hand with minuend. Okay, so my dear students, now we have here 0101 and minuend is also 0101. Okay, so it is coincidence only, it can't be always same, so don't get confused. Okay, so 0101 plus 0101, if you add, so 1 plus 1 0, carry over 1 here, so 1 plus 0 plus 0 1, again 1 plus 1, it will be 10, so 0 here, 1 carry over, so 1 plus 0 plus 0 1. So we are getting only 4 bit, we are not getting 5 bit. Okay, we do not have carry here, so here we didn't get overflow bit. So again calculate 1s complement of 1010, that is 0101, just opposite. Okay, so 1 will be converted into 0, 0 into 1, and put minus sign, hence minus 0101 is the final answer. Remember my dear students, if you not got the end carry, then answer will be negative according to this 4b. Okay, so we have to put the minus sign according to this algorithm. Okay, now we will discuss about 2s complement. Okay, my dear students, so step 1 2 3 will be same as 1s. Okay, so make the number of bits equal in both subtrahend and minuend. I already told, minuend those who have positive sign in front, subtrahend those which have negative sign in front. Okay, so calculate 2s complement of subtrahend. Always calculate the complement of, if it is 1s then 1s, 2s then 2s of, always of subtrahend. Number 3, calculate sum of minuend and 2s complement of subtrahend. Okay, so number 2 will be added to minuend. Now again we have to check for the end carry. So if there is overflow bit, discard it and the remaining bits would be the final answer. If there is no overflow bit, then the result must be negative. So again calculate 2s complement of the sum and that would be the final answer. Okay, my dear students, so now you can look here. For example, we are going to understand. So now we have to perform 1010 minus 101, this binary subtraction using 2s complement method. So here we have 4 bit, here only 3 bit, so we'll make it equal. And my dear students, this 1010 positive sign in front, this is minuend, this minus 101, so negative sign, so 101 is subtrahend. Here only 3 bits, so leading 0 we are placing here in order to make it both equal. Now 2s complement of subtrahend, so 0101. If you calculate 2s, what we have to do, at first we have to calculate 1s, then we have to add 1 because it is 2s complement method. So 0101, it will be 1010, so 0 will be converted into 1, 1 into 0, and then if you add, it will be 1 0 1 0. Now third step, we have to add this 2s complement of subtrahend with this minuend. Okay, so 1 0 1 0, so this is minuend, and 2s complement of this subtrahend 0 1 0 is 1 0 1 1. If you calculate, you will get after addition you will get 1 0 1 0 1. So here only 4 bit, we are getting 5 bit, so this is in carry, so we will discard it. Here we got overflow bit, that is carry, which is discarded, and the remaining part 0 1 0 1 is the final answer. Okay, next time if you can if you will not get the int carry, so what we have to do, my dear student? Remember, okay, so in example 4, remember we have to perform 1 0 1 minus 1 0. This time we will not get the overflow bit. Okay, my dear students, at first we have to make it both equal bit. Okay, so here only 3 bits, so leading 0 we are adding here. So now minuend is 0 1 0 1, negative sign, so subtrahend 1 0 1 0. Now 2s complement of 1 0 1 0, so if you convert into 1s at first, so 1 0 1 0, it will be 0 1 0 1, then we have to add, you will get 0 1 1 0. Now third step, we have to adding 2s complement of subtrahend with minuend. Okay, my dear students, now if you add, you will get this 1 0 1 0, so 4 bit answer, sum is also 4 bit. So here we didn't get overflow bit, so again calculate 2s complement of this step 3, so 1 0 1 0, that is, so 1 will be converted into 0, so 0 into 1, so 1 1, so 0 0 plus 1, you will get 0 1 0, and put minus sign. Okay, look, if there is no overflow bit, then the result must be negative, so again calculate 2s complement of the sum, and that would be the final answer. Okay, and we have to place the minus sign also. Okay, so put minus sign, so hence minus 0 1 0 1 is the final answer. Okay, my dear students, so in this tutorial we have understand 1s and 2s complement method of for binary subtraction. Hope you understand the video. If you have any confusion, you can write mail to me at plkcomputers@gmail.com. Thank you very much for watching.